जोरदार समर्थ है। धन्यवाद
सर। Mohammed Bashir, Honorable Member Mohammed Bashir.
Sir, thank you very much. Sir, I vehemently oppose this bill. Sir, if this law is passed, it will be an addition in the list of black laws in our country. Sir, my reasoning for opposing this bill is, number one, this will give extra constitutional power to the police officers from constable, SHO level to president officer and magistrate. Two, sir, this bill violates the Constitution in several ways, including Article 21 and the privacy of individual. My next reasoning, sir, this bill gives rooms for misinterpretation, misuse, and hence this is a badly drafted piece of legislation. Sir, this will not be confined only to the convicts from an office, but as it is like a double-edged weapon which anybody can use against their opponents. Sir, this tantamounts to giving like an open general license to the police officers to work according to their will and pleasure. Sir, number 7, this is really to terrorize the people. Sir, now coming to the clauses, there is so much time for me. I don't want to narrate about the measurement, things like that. Definition is there, everybody has quoted that. It's a lengthy list, sir. The only thing which remains is what? Whether there is any other item in the human body for further samples. That is the only thing. Sir, now coming to the Act, to whom it will apply? It is there stated A, B, C, everything. And C says, sir, what? Arrested in connection with an offence punishable under any law for the time being in force or detained under any preventive detention law. So is it not a high-handed kind of clause? Even for an arrested person, any police officer can arrest a person. So this really gives a kind of weapon in the hands of the government to disturb the people and to terrorize the people. Sir, similarly, how can you say that a person detained or arrested is he a culprit? Until unless it is assured that he is an accused. Of course, you can try that. At the same time, on the shadow of doubts and things like that, if we use this kind of act, it is something highly objectionable and condemnable in that way. And another thing, after collecting all these kind of things, to whom you are circulating that? Sir, Act says, Bill says that National Crime Record Bureau will be the central agency to maintain the record. It will share the data with law enforcement agencies. Further, state and duties may notify agencies to collect, preserve, and share data in the respective jurisdiction. Sir, such a provision, I'm asking you, will it not open a floodgate of troubles in this country? Without thinking the far-reaching consequences of this bill, you have brought it here. Sir, now coming to the other things. My friends are saying, when you are making a law, you should be honest. What for you are making this law? You are making this law to disturb others or to victimize others. As an example, my friends were saying about the present laws. What is happening in this? When you make a law with bad intention, it will have reflection throughout. As an example, my friends were saying about UAP. Now, sedition charges. Even Supreme Court has said, sir, sedition charges should not be imposed in a simple way like this. Similarly, sir, national security kind of legislation, that also is misused in a wide way. Sir, conversion law. Now, what is happening, sir? In that account also, a lot of kind of harassment is going on. Cow protection laws. What for all this law you made? I would like to ask you, what was your intention? Your intention was to create enmity among the people. That is what it's done. This law was really laws of prejudice, sir. Laws of lawlessness and laws of what is happening? Innocent people are languishing in Indian jails, sir, even without trial. These kind of things are going on in this country. You are now adding fuel in the fire and making such a legislation also. Towards the end, sir, I would like to say only one thing. That is heart of the law. What is that? Article 14. Equality before law. That can be treated as heart of the legislations. Now, what is happening, sir? This equality before the law, is it there? Are we making law according to this principle, according to your desire, or according to your political dimension? You are making law. Actually, you are spoiling the very spirit of justice before everybody and equality before law. This is in addition to that. That's why I am saying that we oppose it vehemently. If government is honest, and if you have got even an iota of sincerity, I would like to tell you to send it to the committee of Standing Committee of the Parliament. With this few words, sir, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir N.K. Bremchand.
Thank you very much, Mr.